Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. I will be showing you guys how I achieved this really soft, simple gold halo eye. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look right here, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set everything in place with translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes palette. And this is my go-to palette when I'm doing a nude crease. I love all the shades in this palette. So I'm going in with Warm Rose first with this big fluffy brush. And I'm just placing this right in the center of my crease, going in left and right motions, going all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner. To get a better transition in my upper crease, I'm grabbing this bigger, fluffier brush and I'm going into this blush pink shade. And I'm applying this directly above my crease shade. And I love to do this when I need an extra blend to my shadow. It really makes it blown out and it really makes it look a lot better. So if you have a hard time blending your crease shade, highly recommend doing that. And then I'm grabbing this angled brush with some concealer and I'm just carving the very center of my lid and setting it. And then I'm grabbing this really small compact brush and I'm just placing some translucent powder over top of that concealer. And then I'm grabbing this flat brush and I'm going into my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette and I'm going into the shade Golden. And I'm pressing this just to the center of my lid and doing dabbing motions to blend it out. But I'm making sure that the majority of this pigment is on the very center. And this is going to make it look like it has a highlight point on the center of it. So the way that you apply this is super important. And then I'm going into my small tapered brush, going back into that Dusty Rose shade and just applying that to the very inner and outer corner. And then this is pretty much it for the shadow. It's super easy. Just the way that I apply my shadow is super important. So it's more about placement for this look. We're not using that many shades. We're only using 3 different eyeshadows, so super simple. And then I'm just peeling off my tape and then I'm just applying my under eye concealer. For lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes, and we do still have these in stock. The link will always be in the description box down below. It is our lash line. And then I'm grabbing my Urban Decay Double Life liner and I put that in my waterline. And then for the lower lash line, I'm just grabbing that Dusty Rose shade once again and just smudging that as close to my lower lashes as possible. And then I'm grabbing this really flat defined brush and I went into the dark brown shadow in the Too Faced Natural Nudes palette. And I just applied that all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner and then went back into that smudger brush to diffuse that out. And then I'm grabbing my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara, coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm grabbing my Pixi Beauty Subtle Sunrise highlight. And this is the finished look right here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I had a lot of fun creating it and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!